Have you ever stopped to wonder why some of the strangest things in our world, and even in our universe, still remain unsolved? From mysterious sounds echoing through the oceans to bizarre creatures that break the rules of biology, science has explained so much. Yet there are still gaps that leave even the smartest minds scratching their heads. Today, we're diving into some of the strangest natural phenomena that scientists still can't fully explain. Buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll be questioning just how much we really know about our planet and beyond. Let's start with one of the weirdest mysteries of all, the hum. Across the world, people from the US, the UK, and even as far as Australia have reported hearing a low, persistent humming sound. Imagine a diesel engine running in the distance. But there's no engine. Some call it maddening. The most famous version, the Taos hum in New Mexico, has been reported since the 1990s. The strange part, sensitive microphones often can't pick it up, meaning it's not always an external noise. Some theories suggest underground vibrations. Others say it's linked to tinnitus, or even secret military experiments. But after decades of study, no single cause has been agreed upon. Now, let's talk about something that sounds straight out of science fiction: ball lightning. People describe glowing orbs, sometimes the size of basketballs, floating through the air during thunderstorms. They can pass through walls, explode, or just vanish silently. For centuries, it was dismissed as myth, until credible eyewitnesses, including pilots and even scientists, reported seeing it firsthand. Modern theories suggest it could be plasma or burning silicon particles, but no one has ever created ball lightning in a lab with full certainty. It remains one of the strangest and most beautiful mysteries in weather science. Let's take things out of this world for a moment. In 1977, a radio telescope picked up a 72-second signal from deep space. It was so unusual and so strong that astronomer Jerry Emin circled it on the printout and simply wrote "Wow" next to it, giving it the famous name, the WOW signal. The signal came from the constellation Sagittarius and matched what we would expect from an interstellar transmission. But it was never heard again. To this day, no one can say whether it was aliens trying to say hello or just a weird, natural cosmic event. The mystery remains unsolved. The world is still full of mysteries waiting to be solved. And that's what makes science so exciting. Every question leads to another, and each discovery only proves how much is still left unknown. So what do you think? Which of these mysteries blew your mind the most? And do you think some of them will ever be solved, or are they destined to remain unanswered? Thanks for watching EDU and Vero. If you enjoyed this dive into the unknown, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more fascinating science videos, and share this with a friend who loves mysteries. Until next time, stay curious.